Okay, so from the first set of the content of all about the Google search, I guess like we have done each and every stuff over here, right from the first pointer to all the pointers. And then second page, how to know if a website can be X-rayed, how to identify various sites to X-ray in a completely new market. That is something completely new market. I'll just remove this one. Just remove this from here and I'll put it. Hold on, so see. All right, and then coming here, AI tools and extensions that works on Google Sheet, but otherwise exploring Google CSCs, all those stuffs, yeah, we're done. So let me just remove this one. And coming. All right. So creating Google CSC, Boolean, deep nested search assignments, everything we are done with the Google for now. So nothing is that pending that we can say that this is pending here. All about Google search, everything is done. And now coming back to LinkedIn, guided, indirect, direct, then basic, various features, diversity, spotting candidate actively looking for new job on a free version, how to leverage LinkedIn.com to drive employer referral, optimizing LinkedIn profile to attract candidate and brand awareness, how to leverage a free and paid LinkedIn job post and make it work for you, how to identify anyone's email ID on LinkedIn in less than 5 minutes, AI tools and extensions for a candidate engagement. So this I'll remove from here. Free ATS and other tools that streamlines the hiring process. Okay, that is Python HR that we have done pretty much. So let me add this thing over here. Okay. So from the third slide, all about the LinkedIn, I think we have done everything all over here. We have completed how to leverage a free LinkedIn job post and make it work for you, identifying anyone's email ID on LinkedIn in less than 5 minutes. That's by using sales QL and all. And free ATS and other tool that streamlines the hiring process. Then coming here, how to map talent from specific company on a LinkedIn and see who is open for new opportunities on a free version of LinkedIn. Done. How to generate the insights and know the pool available in the market for each and every job family and industry using free LinkedIn. Basically, creating a that is done. Then how to message anyone on LinkedIn without getting connected with them. That also is done. Magic of LinkedIn post done. Simple AI tool that we can use on a LinkedIn post for a better engagement and response. That is also done. That is reply as well. Um, Writing and recently we have explored one more tool. So that's done. Similarly, tied up on LinkedIn Recruiter, done. Inserting search in search, done. Now, all text sourcing from GitHub, Stack Overflow, All Stack Exchange, done. Now, whole web sourcing on Open Web, Dribble, Behance, and more, and how to identify and how to identify various sites to X-ray in completely a new market. That is something we'll do it today. Once again, though we have done it a number of times previously, but again, let's do it once, but in a different way altogether. Then AI tools and extensions to work on Google Sheet. We'll do it today. AI tools and extensions for a candidate engagement. This I'll move it for later date. This is a little difficult. Or basic AI tools, I'll say. basic AI tools and extensions for candidate engagement, because we have a little advanced version, which we'll cover it later. Then coming here, how to use free seek out. That is something is not working for anyone, but how to use mail merge or Margo for customized email. Have we completed this mail merge and Margo for weekday batch?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure.
You've done, right? Okay. How to use data miner and other web scraping tool, done. Finding email ID and via Chrome extensions and other some cool hacks. This also is done, right? Other than SalesQL, we were trying to identify other Chrome extensions, right?
Yeah, we worked. We
Last Friday.
even yes, yes. Snowbio and other
Yeah,
tools.
Snowvio and all everything. So I think this is also done. That is more aligned with something like understanding a problem statement or real-time scenario faced frequently while sourcing, and how and where to identify some cool apps. Basically, yeah, design thinking. So that is more
Yeah.
aligned with that. Okay, so finding email IDs, Chrome extensions, and some other cool hacks that is aligned with design thinking for sources. All right. So these three are done. Seek out, unfortunately, we don't have it. Playing with contact, email, and phone number, magic of contact sync, that is also done. And then goes with Google search filter like image search, face search, and result sorting. This is something aligned with mm, this one. Tick, 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 whole web sourcing by using. So I'll just keep it as it is for now. So that is something aligned with Google search filter with image search, face search, and the result sorting. And then Google search settings that we'll do it today. Then creating a Google search alerts that also we can do it today, and AI extensions to simplify the repeated task. This I'll keep it for later. Basic AI tools and extension. So yeah, I think pretty much we are done. And let's start with the Google Face and Google Image Search. Basically, whole web sourcing using Open Web, Dribble, Behance, and more. How to identify various sites to X-ray in a completely new market. So definitely, we have been using in URL site, in URL resume, in profile, in URL resume, in URL CV, in URL profile, all those kind of words to get the profile from the various sites. So let's see. I just wanted to search for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, gmail.com, Poland. Okay, so we wanted a profiles from Poland who are working on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and have their profiles, Gmail profiles. And we might not really know because it's completely a new market, European market, which is completely a new. We really don't know which sites might be working, which sites might be not be working, which are the social sites existing over there. Like in India, we have LinkedIn, we have Script, we have Dribble, we have Behance. Are these the sites global also? Does this sites works over there? Or if not, what are the other sites that must be working? Any other social sites that professional working social sites like LinkedIn that must be working in those locations? That location is completely new for me. I really don't know which site is actually working over there. So in that case, what we just give a keywords, whatever I just wanted to search for, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, gmail.com. and then we just search for additional location. And once that is done, we just click on images. Okay. So once we click on images, then we see here we have a various images, various formats, all the various stuff. It's a mix of stuff. But what we want is something like an individual profile, something like this, or kind of a resumes, something like this are still not valid as a resume, but something, some code pen, some profile like this. Or let's say we'll just try with in URL resume or CV first. So yeah, pretty much we get all these resume examples, idea motive, then Visa Guru, Reddit, SlideShare, Resume World, sample resume, SlideShare, Resume Genius, Resume.io, Resume.io, SlideShare. SlideShare is a global, Freelancer is a global, Reddit is a global, Udemy, Standard Resume, Job Hero, Resume Base. So we have a lot of samples also. We can always do a minus sample, minus template, all those things, and then we'll be able to get the access for the live resumes. So not just by searching on all profiles, something like this over here, what we do generally, we just come here, go to the end and say minus sample, minus template, minus career, minus any other keywords that we can minus,
Jobs,
jobs, any other keyword that we can minus,
Templates.
conferences.
hmm?
Templates.
Academy, training.
Templates, anything like that. Okay. So that's a
That's
direct thing what we are doing it, and we're getting these profiles. Now let's say apart from this, okay, are there any other sites? Definitely from here, once I get a site, mostly I'm getting individual profiles, and definitely from here, once I get some of the common sites where people are posting their resumes, I can definitely go ahead and do the X-ray for those kind of sites. But additionally, if I need some more sites, okay, here I might be getting result, but those are all with in-URL resumes or CV. I might not be getting the results where they have not mentioned resume or CV in the URL. Here I'm getting all those results who has mentioned resume or CV in the URL and from those locations and all. But I also need a profile who might have not mentioned resume or CV in the URL. Okay, who might have not mentioned resume or CV in the URL. So what do we do about it? So let's say I just remove this in URL resume or CV. We'll just keep it like this. So now we still have a resumes, we still have a various profile from the personal website and from any other sites, from the mix of sites. This is the one way I do it, the hard way of doing it, one by one I go and I see that which are the sites which are giving me the list of people and I'll just go and x-ray those sites. But additionally, is there any other way that we can think of that we can do? So let's say we just go to images. So here in images, we get all the stuffs. Most of the images we know that, uh, sorry, most of the resumes we know that are basically in a, what we say, black and white format. So let's say I just go here, tools, and then color, I'll say black and white. So I still get some documents related to that. And if I use a word like resume or CV, I might get much better results. So I'm still not using that one. So let's say if I just use resume. So I still started getting few more results. I'll say see more. It keeps going. All right. Is there any other better way that we can use it? We can still click on, I'll just remove resume. We can click on tools. And once I click on tools, so under type, I don't really have anything much, but I can just go to settings, scroll down, and then click on advanced search. Once I click on advanced search, then here I have something called type of image. So this is Google Advanced Search. This is where I started my journey of exploring how exactly this operator works in the year 2012 while I was at Infosys by getting into this like Google Advanced Search. So once I go here, I'll get type of image, face, and advanced search. Okay. Now we get it from x.com, github.com, personal websites, beauty of Japan. So I think minus it's not taking here. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, gmail.com. It's gone now. Again, I'll just click here. That much is also not required. This is enough. Gmail.com, settings. Scroll down, advanced search, gmail.com, and then type of image, paste. And then I have LinkedIn, YouTube, GitHub, x.com, personal website, Etsy, Medium. I don't know why this beauty thing is coming. So let me just go back. Though changing a language would make a lot of sense, searching in a Polish language, but otherwise, let's go with on a high level search. Software engineer exact phrase for Poland market, I'll kind of a doubt, but let's see. So every social media site or any website, social media site, they definitely ask like super professor. They definitely ask us to update our profile photo. Like LinkedIn asks us to update our profile photo. Similarly, we are taking the use case from there. Flatty.fm, LinkedIn and which is we know, but super professor,
Shiv,
code mentor.
how are you linking this search to the Poland market? There's no Poland keyword now, right?
No, in general, I'm searching.
Okay.
Okay. So now all these searches are basically giving me the list of results where there can be an additional sites which we are not really aware of that we can go behind. GHMB. So all these are kind of additional sites that we are not really aware of, but definitely we can just go and X-ray them. So that's the other way of doing a Google image search. So generally what we do a number of searches on Google without using image searches, but there is something hidden element which is a face search, an amazing gem. If you're hiring for some of the niche talent, if you're unable to find, consider this to be a last option, a pure play passive option, last option where you just go search for whatever the required skills you want, add an email ID or software engineer or anything like that, and then let's say what we have done. We have just come to Google here. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, software engineer. That's it. We just went to image and from settings, we came here, advanced search, and then type of image that is face. So every social media site, okay, generally ask us to update our profile pic, and that is where we are doing this particular face search. Now you just put some other locations where people are where there are sites which are existing. but you really don't know which are the sites which are existing where these people are available, where these people are actually discussing about their coding challenges or discussing about their achievements in the coding or anything like that. And that's where you just go and use a face search. And then go behind them, like top 10. You can always X-ray that. Udemy also you can X-ray. Calvin, css.com, blog, coders rank, Springboard, all these things, I really don't know whether they exist or not. This is the first time what I'm seeing. Maybe Toptal is something I've seen, Udacity I've seen, Fever I've seen, Code Mentor, not really sure. LinkedIn I've seen, Quora I've seen. This is personal website. Dev community, not really sure. Super Professor I've seen earlier. Preschool, not seen. Code Mentor, not seen. Calvin CSS, we have a couple of results from here. Let's go. Resume was there in the URL. And I can always modify my strings as per the requirement. I'll just try to end up senior program manager, developer, and executive full stack. I think this is from Twitter X. I think you can X-ray Twitter also, X-ray X as well. Coders rank. Again, I'll just go to some profile. Then coders rank profile. The URLs has changed. I'll see one other two other profiles. Once I get the profile URL, a proper profile URL of any profile on Coders Rank, we can always go behind them and do a X-ray. Springboard, not really sure what exactly it is. Looks like some courses site and all. Teacher on Twitter profile. On Techron. All tutor profiles. CodeMentor.io about me. Just this might be super helpful for you when you're creating an additional CSCs to add more profiles from the various sites. Just you there? I think you are there, but we can't hear you.
Shiv, these sites, no, they will show just their skills and experience, but
Search them on
don't show,
LinkedIn. Search
search
them on
them on
LinkedIn. Search
LinkedIn.
them on
That's,
Zing.
yeah, that's the idea, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Bio not find joined. And then additional GitHub also you have it. Otherwise, just take this their username in URL and username. You know where all they are present. July star. Images are not supportive here. So yeah, I just go like this. So additional keywords, additional locations, all that thing I can take. Their email IDs, dev.to, everything is there. So some sites are also showing their email IDs, their GitHub links, all those stuff. So yeah, its search is basically an ocean. So you never know where you'll find what. Now, how to search is the key. So what to search is a different thing altogether. But how to search is the key. If you're able to understand how to search, then definitely you can go behind whatever that you wish to. So I'll just take a pause. Any doubts, any question on face search? How do you approach a face search? We're good?
Yes, sure. I'm fine.
Yeah.
One input I would like to give
Hmm.
when I was doing simultaneously with you.
Hmm.
So we should not switch on the safe search in Google if we are doing this image search. If
I don't
we
know. Not really sure. Mine is
because
always a
just
safe search only.
yeah, it was I was switched. My Google was having a safe search was on, so I was not
Hmm.
getting the results what you are getting. So I again removed that and
Again,
tried to.
machine. I've been doing it for years now.
And
So
even
it's again machine which
advanced
learns.
search is not opened actually.
Huh?
Advanced search tab itself not there.
Oh, okay. Not really sure.
Yeah, yeah. Because I just removed that, and then this you are getting advanced search, right? I was
Hmm.
not getting that when I was having this safe
Anyone
search
else
on.
who is not able to see advanced search here? Just click for something and click on images, search for something, click on images and see from the settings if you are able to get the advanced search.
I'm getting it. I can see it.
Anyone else who is not getting it? I think everyone is getting. Just, I think you were there, but we couldn't hear you.
Yes, actually, my audio had an issue. I joined to another laptop.
Got it. I think this
Yeah.
technique you can
Yes, I was
use.
using this one and the in-URL technique actually.
Awesome. Face
Yeah,
search,
both.
right?
Yeah, face search and normal Google search to find like which site gives the results and everything.
Awesome. That's where like we'll be able to see how many other sites or people
Exactly.
discovery sites that we'll be able to come across.
Yeah.
And Shiv, one more doubt I have. While we are doing this CSE, right, there is
Mhm.
also another option like enable image search in that.
It is there. You can use in that.
Yeah, if we enable image search, it will fetch the similar results, or it will go for entire web.
No, it might fetch some different results also. So some results, what you're getting in all results is basically a URL driven results. But the profile face driven results, the format is a little different. So you might get some different results as well. So there is no right answer for that, but you might get some different results as well. Like if I just
Okay,
click on all searches, the result will differ versus a face searches.
true.
Okay, so similarly over there, all searches result will differ versus a face searches.
Because here in this image search, we are selecting a face after going to advanced search.
Exactly. Over there, you have only image. You don't have an option of face.
Okay, okay,
In Google CSC, you have option of image, but you don't have an option of face. But mostly it takes the right assumptions only. It won't go wrong.
okay.
Okay. So that about whole web sourcing on an open web. Behance Dribble are basically an additional sites to source for a designers. That's pretty easy. You can just X-ray it for Behance or Dribble, you'll get it. And how to identify various sites to X-ray in a completely new market. So that about it. And then AI tools and extension to work on a Google Sheet. And then basic AI tool and extension for candidate engagement. After that, Seekout is not working. Marco, we are done. Data miner, we are done. Finding email IDs, we have done last Friday. And then playing with contact sync, we are done. Search filter, search settings, search alerts. So these two will do it today. And apart from that, GPT, AI tools and extension to simplify repeated tasks. And market detail, we are done. Problem statement that's aligned with the identifying various tools and extensions. This two, understanding the problem statement and how and where to identify some cool apps. And then exploring some sourcing forums. I think 2 or 3 days more, I think we'll be done. So yeah, coming back to now. mm, 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 mm. Okay. AI tools and extension that works on a Google Sheet. AI tools and extensions to work on a Google Sheet. So generally we heard about various marketplaces like Chrome Store or Microsoft Store or what we say um, App Store. Let me just come here. This is a Microsoft Store. This is where we search all the applications available in Microsoft, all the various apps, which I can try to use it, sync with my system or anything, and try to automate the stuff. These are the Windows applications. Then I just come here. Apart from that, I have a Chrome Web Store where I'm trying to identify various Chrome extensions for the various use cases. Like in last sessions, we have seen that for highlighting the keywords, we have tried downloading multi-highlighter. Otherwise, in previous sessions also, we number of times we covered various extensions, how are we actually searching. But it's more of whenever we get into the problem statement, are we thinking in other point of view that instead of only using things which people has told us, are we actually trying to search proactively? Is there any extension or is there any tool existing which can simplify the task of this? Something like highlighting or data miner or PDF or sales given or anything like that. Is there any other extra tool which is existing which can simplify my task? So I can just simply come to the Chrome Web Store and I can just search for something like LinkedIn. So if I search for LinkedIn automation, I just get link radar, AI Connect for LinkedIn. This recently explored, kind of a okay. Octopus, I explored today itself. That's again for 7 days you have a free access. After that, it will ask you to pay some 7 USD. Uh, I did not explore this. Jobbing, which is free forever. I've been using it for quite some time. Linked Assist, I've not really explored. Prospect automation software, not really. In Touch, LinkedIn auto connection and message. I think I had this extension, then I've recently um, removed it also. Automate LinkedIn connection message finding generation. Let's see, I'll just click here. And then once I click there, I also see on a right hand side, what are the other tools and extensions, similar tools and extensions. I'm just trying to see if it triggers any robo activity. I'm going to stop immediately. In touch, it is saying, okay, it will not trigger any activity. I'll say just dismiss. Yeah, it's saying create a campaign, everything and all like that. Otherwise, let me just come in. Again, I just go back. So number of tools existing when I say LinkedIn automation. Similarly, when I say PDF, number of tools existing. So what we're trying to do is like based on the use case, based on the problem statement, what we're facing, we're trying to search for the extensions here in the Chrome store, or we're trying to search for the extensions in a Microsoft store. Similarly, in Gmail also, we have a Play Store. Like we just go here to the Gmail. Let me minimize this. And then here I have a plus. Here we'll be able to see all the various again extensions like mail merge, Signizy, something like in Margo when we are covering over there itself, we have explored there are a lot of various extensions which works on a Gmail. So similarly, taking a use of these extensions, let's say recently I've been exploring a couple of extensions which are useful for recruiters, but similarly you might also find some other 10 different extensions which can be useful for us. But it's more of not understanding what is what, but also trying to understand how to approach that problem statement, how to basically search those. So to tell, I'll just cover few basic ones, something like which I've been using for sheets, that is Sheet GPT. So there are two, one is paid, one is free. I'll see which one is paid. AI works with Gmail, 5, here on. Okay. So GPT AI writer for docs, sheet translator, GPT for sheets installed. This is already installed. AI for sheets. This is already installed. GPT AI content writer for Google Docs or Sheets. Let me just read what exactly is this. Generate an article with the subtitles in one click, 40 languages. Maybe for documents, I can use that. Something like this. You can edit, delete your Google Docs. So like this, it's giving a prompt. You can generate a tagline for this product, colon, and then A2. This seems to be cool. Let's take this as well. And whatever is paid, I'll say uninstall. I will install, agree. Finish. Let's just go here and go for Google Sheets. Go to Google Sheets, take a blank sheet, go to extensions. If it is not there, then again I can go on add-ons. I can still search for SheetGPT. Again, here both the tools are there. So we have installed all three. Installed, installed, installed. Screen recorder, GPT from Builder, chat document. There are many other. So if you have time, you can always explore those and see which is working best for you. It's not always sticking to what other people says. It's more of how we actually find our own tools and extensions. It's more of that. Okay. So I just go to extensions and then tools. Yeah. So all these tools we have downloaded. So GPT AI writer for docs, forms, slide sheets. GPT formula, try AI writer in Google Docs. Then start, open, enable GPT function. SheetGPT instructions, enable SheetGPT. A number of tools on the same name. So let's say I'll take this first. Launch. I'll see if it is free, I'll use it. If it is paid, I'll uninstall it. This is only for docs, I believe, but I'll just allow it for now. But later I can always uninstall. Now let's launch once again. So at first go, it did not launch. Now at second go, it launched. Replace GT formulas with results, function, documents, GPT, tag, extract, translate, summarize, format, table, exceeding maximum execution time. So free trials, I have 10 of 10. You're using free trial, upgrade to premium. So I think 10 is pretty less. You just go, extensions, help, view in store. I think I need to remove from admin account. I need to log in into the admin account and I'll be able to remove that. But for now, I'll just leave it as it is. Manage apps.
If strangely, if even for me also, I had to download this tool twice. First time it
Yeah,
didn't.
if it is asking for pay, why you will need even to waste your time? So it was giving me only 10 credits. So not really required. Rather, I'll go behind some of the free ones. Okay. So this one we have removed. Let's see another one. So when I said launch, that launch one is gone. This is directly asking upgrade. So doc sheet slides TM. Let me just remove that also. Doc sheet slides TM. Uninstall. Refresh. So it's gone actually. Just showing me in the store. It may not come. Then sheet and docs. Let me just try it. Open. API key is not working. Enter the payment method. No, I'll not use this as well. Just keep. Okay, so only one is there. That is SheetGPT AI GPT Sheets. So let's have a refresh. So that's the last one. So I'll say enable SheetGPT. I'll get a this thing here, notification like this, SheetGPT is enabled. Okay, and it is telling how we have to give a prompt is equal to GPT and open the bracket, and whatever the prompt is enter in a double quotations. I'll say okay. So one of my favorite is GPT. So one is GPT. So Sheikh Hasina, as of so and so date, is a prime minister of Bangladesh. So that's basically a normal prompt. GPT equal to open the bracket and ask any question like you ask in a chat GPT. Similarly, you ask a question over here, but the prompt is little different where you need to give something like a formula way equal to GPT and then when did Paytm started and by whom? Paytm was founded in 2010 by Vijay Shekhar Sharma. So that's a normal prompt. So again, I'll just go GPT image. Ten days. Coding. So first prompt, which is a normal prompt. Any questions on the first prompt till the second till the time second prompt goes on? Are we good? How to download the extension
Yes,
and
sure.
how to give the prompt. Are we good?
Yes, sure.
Yes, no?
Sure, actually, how to download the extension is not clear to me as there are multiple are
Can you
there.
share your screen, please?
Yes.
Yeah. And make it fast, please.
Please give the permission.
Focus, Raghu. Where are you? Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
We have to go into the Google Sheets, not here. That's where
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
saying focus.
No, no, I am saying like there are a lot of apps are
We
installed,
discussed we
right?
have two different places where we have downloaded the extensions first. One is at the Chrome Web Store, other is at the Microsoft Web Store, and the third is at a Google Sheet Web Store or Gmail Web Store. Just go to your Gmail.
Okay.
On the bottom right, plus search for SheetGPT here. This is a third marketplace. SheetGPT. Anyone? Any doubt on how to download?
Which one among this? One is
Anything?
paid,
Just
one is
try
free.
it both, and whichever is paid, uninstall it. Whichever is free, keep it. All names are similar. Works with Gmail, just untick it. Just drop down.
Sorry.
Works with Gmail is there, right? No, no.
Watching.
All filters works with Gmail.
Ah, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Remove that. Done. No, you have to click on done at the bottom. No, you have to
Okay.
remove and click on done at the bottom.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so you have all the various ones. Download all and see which one are paid and uninstall, which one is not paid. Keep that one.
Oh, okay,
Anyone,
okay.
any doubts on how to install
Thank
these
you.
extensions under Gmail?
I got it. Sure, I'll stop.
Anyone, any doubts on how to install extensions under Gmail or Sheet or Docs? So these extensions, so one is the marketplace where we have a Chrome store, the second marketplace where we have a Microsoft store, the third one we have it about an Apple store. And the fourth one, what we can see here is basically under any sheet, any doc or Gmail also, if you open on the right hand side, you'll be able to see this bar. You just have to click here on a plus and search for whatever the problem statement that you're going through and see that if there can be any uh, application that we can download. Raghu, I think you were there in Margo session also, right?
No shoe. In the weekend batch, you're saying?
No, last Friday also we covered Margo.
I missed Friday. I was traveling. I joined, but because of network, I missed it.
Weekend
I was in
also
the
missed.
bus.
Margo you did
Week,
not cover.
okay, weekend actually I joined with the late night session. I mean, like the third session I missed it. Sunday.
No, but pretty much Margo also we covered in the weekend. That's where also we told how do we go about downloading an additional extensions under Gmail, under Docs, under Sheets. Anyone, any doubts on downloading the extension under Gmail, under Docs, or under Sheets? Any Gmail you open, any Docs you open, or any Sheets you open, you'll be able to see this bar. If you're not able to see, let me know. It must be hiding. Or maybe your browser is not updated. On the latest version, this is how it will be here. And then you need to click on plus. Or you can go to the extension, click on add-ons. Sheet, click on add-ons and get add-ons. Any doubt, any question on how to download the extensions? Finding the extensions, we can always search with various keywords, but how and where to find the extensions and how and where to download the extension. Any doubts, any questions on this part? Anyone here? Yes, no? Are we good?
No, Shiv. Good,
We're
Shiv.
good, right?
Yeah,
Nalini, Anand, Anant, Devi,
Yeah.
Harish, Jyotsna,
also we
Pavni,
should try
Srinidhi.
with
Clear, Shiv.
all good
Yes,
shift.
clear, Shiv. But Shiv, while we are enabling this Sheet GPT or whatever the GPT,
Mm-hmm.
in Google Sheets, it is asking to get the OpenAI, this one.
Whichever is asking, don't do that. Don't get it and just ignore it. So stick to
Okay.
which one is not asking. Maybe for the first time, this will ask you Sheet GPT AI, Chat GPT for Sheets. You may have a personal OpenAI account, right?
Yes, yes.
Chat GPT. You just have to link that. That's it.
Okay.
for the first time, you'll just have to link that. Can you share your screen? I can help you with that. And rest others
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
please focus. Let me
Yeah.
just stop.
Shiva, after that,
First,
even I have little query.
what, Sangeeta?
But this simple command equal to GPT is not working right now. I don't know why.
No, equal to GPT will not work. If equal to GPT, open the, you have to first enable it. Okay, done. Copy, come here, enter your OpenAI key. This is for the first time. Whenever you're doing it for the first time, this will ask you and do it, please. You'll have to log in into your ChatGPT account and it will show the instructions. That's it. Scroll down, over. Next, I understand. Done. Change your API key. I think this is the paid version. Uninstall it. Okay, again, go to the extension. Not here. In Sheet only. Extensions. Extensions. No, wait. GPT Sheet and Docs. Help. View in store. Uninstall. Close it. Again, go to the store. Extensions. Not here. Directly from Sheet, you can go. Add-ons. Get add-on. Sheet GPT. Enter. So, which one you have used first? I think that you have used. Now use second. Install. Connect to your Gmail and chat account. Everyone, please focus and follow the steps. Done. Extension. Have one refresh. No, this has to go. Refresh once again. Extensions. Okay, select and again remove this. Wait a second. Enable Sheet GPT now. This once it is enabled, this option will come. This is a free version. Now equal to GPT list under the double quotes. Just give a prompt. Prime Minister in 1983. Name of India Prime Minister in 1983. Okay. So that is any doubt, any questions, team, till here? Sangeeta, you can share your screen now.
Okay.
Thank you, Chef.
Yeah. Everyone, please focus and follow as it is.
See, this extension is here already. Okay.
Hmm.
And but uh, if I say here equal to GPT and bracket start anything name of Indian Prime Minister, same I will write.
No, this GPT is not that GPT. This is other GPT. This is another extension what you have it, which is a paid one. Just go to extension once more. Okay, the
No,
extension
not
which
this
Harish
one.
has,
This one I just launched and I'll.
this is paid one.
This I will remove. Okay.
Help, Vivin store. Because commands will get confused. If you're adding too many GPTs, those
Okay.
commands will get confused and you will not know which GPT is giving which command.
All right.
So this GPT has a different command, that GPT has a different command, third GPT has a different command. Then you will get confused that why this command is not working and why that. Refresh. Equal to no GPT is working now. You should get in a drop down. If it is working, you should get in a drop down.
Okay. Got it. Thank you. So that means it was getting confused between the two.
Between that. Now go to the extension, just see which extension is enabled now. Okay,
Both are
only one
enabled.
GPT.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Any doubts, team? Till here? Everyone downloaded the Sheet GPT? Pavni, Josna, Jos, Harish, Ganga, Anjana,
Yes, sure.
Anand,
Yes.
Yes,
Amandeep,
sure.
Mahendra, Srikanth, Srinidhi, Usha, Sayani, Ankita, Rajashri.
No, I have not done it. I'll do it later.
But if you get stuck, you'll be stuck. That's what I'm saying.
So I do it now only.
Your wish, but if you get stuck, you might get stuck. Otherwise, that's fine, no problem. So this is a simple command, GPT equal to when did Paytm started and by whom. And then second, GPT image, create an image of an event to thousands of attendees, thousands of I spelling mistake are there, an event to thousands of attendees coding. Let's see what image it has created. So it has created some image. Awesome. Co-live Codesmith. So create a logic of an event.
Shiv, where do we see how much credit we have in this?
I'll show you thousands of software engineers. Normal simple prompt. I'm not going that in depth. Those are the just normal simple prompts. The way you can. So in ChatGPT, I can't ask ChatGPT free version, create an image and create an image, all those things. But here I can always ask. Okay. Again, image, create an image. Venn diagram. Create an image of create an image for explaining Boolean operator and or not with Venn diagram. Let's see what does it do. So in free version of ChatGPT, it might not have that capability, but in paid version, definitely it's there. Do when no, it did not do properly. So create a image for explaining Boolean logic and or not. Venn diagram it did it, but it did not give it and or no.
Do we have any extension where we can give a content and which can prepare the PPT for us?
We have.
Can you show that one also?
I need to explore, but we have. I came something similar
Achha.
in past.
Okay, okay.
So it is going to mathematically. Create an image for explaining Boolean logic of and or not in simple. So that's the second simple prompt, create an image of so and so. Again, on a free version, whatever the best it could do, it is doing that for us. Okay, that's a baby heading image. All right, now my favorite is GPT list. GPT list. Okay, so list the name of 30 fruits in India. So all those fruits. List the name of 30 startups in India. So yeah, here I have 30 startups. So I'll just take this, delete. I'll take this, delete. So any doubt on SheetGPT? A simple tool, only 3 commands.
But
We
this data is like a old data, because see, today if you look at these companies may not be a startup, no, maybe already we can see like a recently which have come to the industry.
keep
Those,
expanding the list.
okay,
I've created a list of up to 200 startups. Keep expanding the list, and those startups at least has to be good names. It's not that the startup has just started 1 month ago, who has registered their website and calling them as a startup.
okay, okay.
Because again, it has to be there somewhere, means their digital presence has to be there. If the digital
But
presence is
can
not
we
there,
give like a startups from 2020 onwards, like a 2020 to 2023? Which are the startups came to India?
paid version will give you. Because the free version has access only till 2021.
Okay, okay, okay.
Service unavailable. That's a free version. Okay. So now similarly, we have other tool.
Shiv, can I share my screen, Shiv?
Yeah, sure. That's reason I asked. Do it live. Otherwise, if you get stuck, you'll find it problematic. Anand, you can share. Okay, create a new key. Any which ways, this is a paid one, not required for you. Just ignore it, uninstall it. The free one is not asking you to add any key.
I go back here only and uninstall.
Just go back, go to extensions, help, help. Last option, help and uninstall. Help, view in store and uninstall. View in store. View in store. Huh. Uninstall. Install. Okay, close it, refresh, and that would have gone. Otherwise, it will show for some seconds or some minutes. After that, it will go. Go to extensions, just see. Let's not see. Now, again, click on add-ons.
No, I need to go forward.
Okay, so let me just take over. Meanwhile, I can do that. All right, so now there is another tool. I'll just go again here under the extensions, and then I'll go for add-on, get add-on. I'll just say LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn prospect, LinkedIn and email. I've done all this. Lots of them are basically paid ones. LinkedIn bulk search, LinkedIn profile explorer. This is a free one. You can search for LinkedIn profile explorer. This is a free one, which is installed for me. Other ones I checked, but definitely a paid ones. And there are many also I did not check that definitely you can check and see how are they functioning and what are they doing. So as I mentioned, it's not just A for Apple, but why A for Apple? Why not A for airplane? Just try to search something else also. LinkedIn Prospector enables you to find easily the leads profiles based on what is it? Based on name of the company and the position. Let's see. Let's add this as well. But if it is paid, I'll just uninstall it. Looks okay. So here I have tools, extensions. So LinkedIn Profile Explorer and LinkedIn Prospect Marketing Tool by Growth Pack. So sidebar. So title VP Marketing, find prospect, upgrade to Pro. Let me see what is there in my free plan.
Only 15 it is showing.
15 matches
Yeah,
a
it is
month.
limited actually.
Profile
I
matches.
tried
Nah,
it out.
I
It's
don't want
limited.
that
Yeah.
limited. I'll just say go. I'll go here and LinkedIn Prospect. And then we will store and install. So few are there. I tried which are free, which are paid. So what I'm covering is basically a free one. So free. So Profile Explorer configuration. So it's already configured. Just in case if it is not configured for you, you can always just click here. You'll get this one. Sangeeta, focus. You are saying you're stuck here.
I have
Profile
created
Explorer
today. It's working today. Thank you.
configuration. Then search engine ID. Add it. Engine name. I'll say SheetGPT training. I'll just add. Otherwise, you can just search entire web and which ways the extension itself is meant for SheetGPT. Sorry, Excel is meant for getting a profiles from LinkedIn. Otherwise, you can just add so that it allows you to create. Otherwise, just click on search entire web. I'm not robo and create. Once it's created, CX equal to this is your CSC ID. Otherwise, here CX equal to whatever is this alphanumeric number, that is your um, search engine ID. Just copy it here. And after copying, you need to go for API key of this search engine ID. So I just click here, scroll down, and get a key. See. No technical, no nothing, just follow as it is. I'm showing the steps. Don't get into other technicality of it, otherwise we'll get confused.
Yeah, but I'm confused. See, what is the purpose of this? I didn't get it.
Just follow whatever I'm saying as it is. Show key, copy. I'll come here. And then copy and I'll say fine and save. Everyone, can you please follow the steps? The same thing.
This is for
Go to
automation.
extensions. Search for LinkedIn Profile Explorer. Go to extensions, add-ons, get add-on. Search for LinkedIn profile. As soon as you type LinkedIn profile, at the bottom, LinkedIn Profile Explorer will come. Just search for this and confirm me once it is done. Jose is done. Rest others, please confirm if it is done. Joe's done, Srinidhi done, Josna done, Ankita done. Only 4 people so far.
Done, Chef.
Yeah, just confirm. Done in chat. Harish done. 5.
Shiv, you
Sangeeta,
need to
you?
do it in extension, right?
Yes, you need to go to extension. That's what I'm saying. Just follow as it is. So again, can you share your screen, Anand? Let me just help you. Let me stop the share. Anand, you can share your screen, please. Rest others, please focus. What Anand is doing, follow the same steps. Go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons. Expand it. Search for LinkedIn profile. Profile. Install. Click on that. Install. Anyone who is not able to see this? Anyone? Pamni, Josna, Mahinder, Usha, Shrikant, Sayani, Ankita, Raghu, Nalini,
Yes, I'm not
Amrita.
able to see. Actually, my net is very slow because of heavy rain. So that's why I'm
Okay,
going
follow
on.
the recording and follow the steps.
Yes,
Amandeep,
anyway,
That's
seeing it.
Amandeep, are you able to do it? Amrita, Anand,
Yes, Shiv. Shiv.
Anand,
Yes, Shiv. Yes, Shiv. Done till now.
Ganga, Ganga Devi.
Joined with the laptop because I just dropped my daughter and came back. And, I will follow the recording and will do it.
Sayani,
Yes, Shiv, I have already installed, but I'm not getting the option for configuration.
will do it. Raghu, Raghu, Shrikant,
Yeah, I'm done.
great. Srinidhi, Usha,
Yes, Shiv, done.
Usha,
Done, Shiv.
great. Okay, now Anand, come back to the sheets. Close this. Go to extension. Just refresh. Extensions. Okay. Now add SheetGPT. Go to add-ons. No. Go to add-ons. SheetGPT is pending for you. Go to SheetGPT. Add-ons. SheetGPT. Everyone. SheetGPT also. Just download. Expand it. SheetGPT. Search.
First one or second one?
Search. Just search SheetGPT.
First one. First one.
Again, search for SheetGPT. Just enter. Just enter.
I'll go with the second one.
Just go for that second one. Yes, this is the one. Everyone, this green one, SheetGPT AI Connect. This is the second one. Install. Everyone, please follow the steps. Install. Raghu. Sorry, Anand. Close. Refresh. Equal to. Equal to. GPT. No, it hasn't come. In drop-down, it will come if it is enabled. Go back. Refresh once the entire page. Everyone, if it is not showing, you have to refresh the page once again. And go to the extensions and see if that extension is downloaded. Okay. Click on SheetGPT now. Enable SheetGPT.
It is enabled.
Enable. You have to enable. Without enabling, it won't show. Wait. It is working. It will show you the final confirmation that it has been enabled. Yes, it has shown the final confirmation. It has been enabled. Now equal to SheetGPT list. No space. Go back. Select that from drop down. No, not that. Exactly. Double quotations. List the name of 30 startups in India. Will give limited. At least go 10, 20, 30 something. Give some number. Or else that's
Shall I
fine.
give
Close
enter?
the bracket and enter. Okay. Now in a B column. Okay. Enter SDET. SDET.DevOps. Anything is fine.
Sorry.
SDET. Software Development Engineering Test. SDET. SDET. Or DevOps. Ola. DevOps. For Ola. No. Remove that. Any one title. Below that. Below that. No. Just one title. Below that. DevOps. Below that. Just give SDE. Below that. Give architect. Below that. Give front end. All right. Now come to the extensions. Okay. LinkedIn Profile Explorer configuration. Search engine here.
Shiv, I have a doubt here. So in
You
our CSE, we will have search engine ID, right? So we can select that also, right?
can select that also. Anything is fine. Add search engine name. Scroll down. Search entire web. I'm not a robot. Create. Copy search engine ID. No, copy search engine ID. Not this is complete search engine. Only search engine ID, which is CX equal to that alphanumeric number. From the URL bar, you can take it. Now,
Only this, right?
that's it. Come to the sheet. Enter API key. Scroll down. Everyone follow the steps as it is. Get key. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense for making it interactive. Rather, I'll just share a recordings only. Name the project, anything. I agree. Next.
1 second, Shiv. Like just still working on that.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you can complete till the time API comes. Show key. Let's take a pause. Copy the key. Anand, done.
I'm
Wait,
doing
wait. No,
copy.
wait. Anand is still doing it. Anand, done.
No, no.
Okay, just do it and confirm. Rest everything, just do it and confirm. Rest everyone, please do it and confirm.
Shiv,
Yeah,
can you please help me? I just struck actually somewhere.
that's the reason I asked you twice. Are you done? Are you done? You were silent.
No, my mic was not working. I just removed the this one no and stuck in loudspeaker.
Follow
So
whatever Anand is doing, just follow the steps as it is.
no, I came to this part where CSC page creation was there. No, that is not opening for me. It's asking for the key page directly.
Can you share a screen meanwhile?
Yeah, sure.
Everyone, step by step, that's the reason I'm saying. Be focused, and that's the reason I'm multiple times I'm calling your name and asking.
Should I copy the key?
Just copy and done. Meanwhile, Raghu, share your screen fast.
Yeah.
Anand, you can stop. Anand, meanwhile, you do your activity.
Yeah, sure. So I came here and clicked on this configuration. Then it is coming this page. It is not going to the CSC
What
page.
to do? Anyone can tell what to do from here? Sangeeta, can you please guide him?
Yeah. So in the
Yes.
search engine ID, click on here. Yeah, here.
Okay.
Click
Okay.
here. Then just give any name.
Add.
Click on add and give any name, ChatGPT. And then search the web. Click on search the web.
Or search the web directly.
Yeah. And
Search
then
entire web.
and robo and okay. Create. So you can copy that or you can
This
go
much.
back to engine. Yeah, this much you copy.
Okay.
Come back.
Then,
Come back to the XLS. Paste it here in the first column.
here only.
Yeah. And now click on here again in the API. Above.
Click here.
Yeah,
Click here. Okay.
Yeah, click here. Scroll down. Yeah, get a key. Just click on get a key. Then give another name. It's going to ask you a name. GPT. Just add GPT along with anything. Click on yes.
Answer.
No, something.
Name must be
Some
4
other name.
Four
characters.
character.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Anything.
Yes.
Yeah. And
Next.
click next. Then you'll have to click on show key.
Anand, you can take it from here. You can share the screen.
One sec.
It will come. Anand, you can take it from here.
Just show key mein, after that you copy the key and paste it there.
Paste in the this
In that.
one
Yeah.
here,
Paste it
right?
here
Okay.
and select 5 in number of
Okay.
results.
Okay.
And
Then
then
save.
save. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Anand, you can share.
Shiv,
Everyone done this step?
for me, for this LinkedIn profile extension, configuration is not coming
Can you please
in
share your
add-on.
screen?
Yes, Shiv, just give it to me.
I'm getting error continuously. It says exit page.
After Amrita, you can share a screen.
Sure.
No, your first command itself gone wrong. SheetGPT command itself gone wrong.
Oh, is it?
Okay, SheetGPT enable. First enable SheetGPT.
Okay.
That's the reason I'm saying follow the steps as it is. Follow. If you're there slow, ask me to stay on that. It's enabled now. You got the notification that it got enabled. Now you give anything. Now you go to the sheet. Amrita, step by step. Now come back to the A.
Refresh.
No refresh. Come back to the A. Just refresh and come back to the A.
Okay.
Equal to GPT.
Keep it.
List from drop down.
Yeah.
Double quotations.
Okay.
Name the list of top 5 companies. There's extra space between 5 and companies. Close the bracket. Enter. Enter.
I did. It's loading.
That's what your first step itself is good. Completely close the sheet, open a new sheet altogether.
Sure.
Go to extension.
Okay.
Let that SheetGPT AI. Enable SheetGPT. And team, please focus. This is not getting recorded. I think we have not started recording this. So please focus. It's showing there, but I think it's pause. So yeah, equal to. Just refresh once.
Yeah.
Reload.
Yeah.
Equal to GPT. Use OpenAI. No, it's not enabled. Go to extensions. Now list. It is enabled. List. Double quotation. Any 5 companies, it's randomly picked up any 5 companies.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So you follow the recording after this and follow the steps.
Okay.
Sure, if there is a recording going on. But yeah, here list the name of 30 startups in India. Anant, you can share where you were stuck. You can share from there. Anant, you were saying something.
Yeah, I'm getting some error actually. It
Can you
says
share?
unresponsive. Yeah.
Please share first. API key.
Yeah.
Ankita, can you please guide him from here?
Here,
Me?
get,
Yeah,
Okay.
please.
Yeah.
but
Ankita,
it's
I
not.
said. Ankita.
Ankita. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, Ankita, just guide him from here.
Okay.
It is not taking. It's giving some error. I got the. Uh,
Can you please refresh your screen?
but it is taking.
Restart this step. Anand, restart this step.
Yeah, it says page unresponsive.
Yeah, you
That's your
close the
internet
window
issue.
only. Close this window, this last tab. Close that.
That is the internet issue, some system issue. That's not the issue with the Google. Close this. Anand, close this completely. Last tab, just close it.
1 second. Okay, but even again, it's giving same
So
error.
do it again once again. Either it's a network issue or some issue with the Chrome.
No, it's a storage issue with the Chrome actually. When you open more tabs, it'll come actually.
Could be the reason.
Yeah, you
So I'll just
can
take it
close
away
all
from
the
here.
tabs once again and it can open it.
Or
Yeah.
you can pin only the Zoom call and close the other things and everything.
So
Yeah,
that could be
that
the
might
issue,
help.
but it's not the issue with the system. Okay.
Yeah.
So once I copy this,
Okay, I got it. Yeah,
I'll get
thank
the
you.
API key. I'll copy the API key. Once I copy API key, extensions, configuration, I think mine is configured. Anant, you can go. Let me stop. Anant, you can take over. Anant, you there?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now, number of results, you can mention 4, 5, whatever you want. Maximum in free version, you can go up to 10. Just mention 5. Save. Refresh. Go to extensions and see if it is configured. If it is configured, already it will show. Wait, let it come. Configuration, just click on configuration. Yes, it is configured. Save again. Equal to GET get GET. Okay, get profile. Okay, select Flipkart. Not like that. A1. Type A1. Either select from that field or select A1. Type A1. No, no, no. Delete everything. You have to select the tab. Below A1, Flipkart tab is there, right? That you need to select.
Okay.
Equal to no. Get profile first. Again, equal to GET get. Select from drop down. Click on Flipkart, comma. Click on SDET. Close the bracket. Enter. Now drag this. No, no. Drag the formula. No, first select the first one. There is no formula in the second one. The formula is in the first one. Yes. Okay, everyone able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this about the Sheet GPT. So let me just take over. So let me just stop. Okay. So the AI tool and extension that works on a Google Sheet, that is basically a Sheet GPT. So that's just a very, very, very basic one. Okay. Practice on it so that you'll understand little advanced one. Yeah, Jose.
So if we need to search it by location, so will
We
that
have an
not allow
extension
or?
for that, but that is very expensive.
Okay, okay, okay.
On a free version, I've seen that also by location also, but that is very
Mm-hmm.
expensive. On a free version, we
Okay.
have just company. What you can do is like for the location best, try to get the list of companies in that location.
Ah, okay.
Okay, try to get the list of companies in, like we have got the list of companies in India location. You try to get the list
Yeah.
of companies in that location,
Okay, okay, okay.
and then you follow it. Yeah, Raghu.
Shiv, I am getting 5 records because I entered 5 records there, right, in the
That's it.
configuration. So if I
Yeah.
put it more, it will come more.
In free version, it maximum 10.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So yeah, just for your answer, even like previously also you asked me or someone else asked me, we
Yes.
can get it with the location also. There is a possibility, but the problem is that is expensive tool. Yeah, Sangeeta.
So if we want two criterias, can we add to column B and C and then
On
select
this
them
free
also?
version, everything is there, but on a paid versions.
Okay, so it will take only one skill. Otherwise, it will take it as OR.
No, no, it will not take it as or. It is taking company and it is taking the title and it is
Okay.
giving the LinkedIn profiles.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Tomorrow, if you do some
You're
certification in
talking about
ChatGPT, tomorrow if you do some certification in ChatGPT, once you upgrade to ChatGPT with $20 per month, and once you try to do some certification on ChatGPT and try to understand how to create this kind of a tools, then you would know how would I get the LinkedIn profiles by using this technique who are working at so and so companies with so and so title and with so and so location. For that, you'll have to upskill on ChatGPT. You have to get certified and you have to work on a paid version of ChatGPT to come up with your own tools. But just to understand the other side of it on a free version, this is how we need to understand how exactly these tools are working actually. And anything beyond that, filters, they are asking us to pay. There are a number of tools, as I mentioned, we have exploded, but that is again paid ones. And our training doesn't belongs to paid ones. Yeah, Anant, you were asking something?
no paid version means you are referring to ChatGPT paid version, right?
Yes, that's $20 per month. You pay it, and then you have to get some certification, understand some technology. Then that's where you do some integration from Google Sheet and ChatGPT, and then you'll be able to come up with your own tools and extensions. And again, you'll also charge because you're spending something. All right. So now basic AI tools for candidate engagement. So that's about Sheet GPT. So this basic two AI tools, which I'll cover on a high level, but I wanted you to dive deep till tomorrow EOD and see what you have learned from those AI tools. So that after this, whatever the tool we are going to cover, the automation tool, Jobin, as well as Linktrega, and one more tool, or maybe this tool itself, because Linktrega, my free version is gone. So most probably Jobin is that we are going to cover. But if you're good at exploring these two basic tools, basic AI tools and extension for the candidate engagement, if you're good at exploring these two basic tools and understand how the functionality is working for these two different tools, then the advanced tool which is there, which is messy, but it is a fabulous tool that you'll be understand step by step in detail. But if you're not able to understand this basic tool, then the messy tool you'll not be able to understand. All right, does that make sense? First to understand the basic one, first to explore the basic one, how exactly it is working by our own. Then after that, going behind, understanding the advanced one. Does that make sense, team?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So basic tool, let me just recently we just covered, right? Jose, which was that? Sangeeta, which was that?
In this one, Snow IO or
No.
No.
Hmm.
Octopus, link radar,
Get prospects.
InTouch,
You mean to say
Get
email explorer,
prospects.
Shiv?
Get prospects something else.
not email. Let me just-
Find out something.
If it is email extender, we saw flow mint or
Final
something.
Scout.
Final Scout, yes, this one. So one
Final
is a
Scout.
Final Scout, and the other is
Prospect Finder, Engage AI.
Sales QL.
Engage AI is
Email
for
finder.
that.
Email finder.
No,
Bard you are saying. No. Chat you have mentioned
What?
Bard. Bard you mentioned in chat. Chat
No,
box.
no,
Email
no,
finder.
no,
Uh,
not that.
I think Get Prospect, one more.
Okay, this one, Get
Prospect you have
Prospect.
done that too.
Get Prospect, Final Scout, and let's say LinkedIn Auto Connection. These three things you have to explore. Okay, so let's say I just come here. So Get Prospect. So first is this. So SQL, I'll disable it. All right. Let's take quick 5 to 6 minutes break team, and then we'll come back at 10:30. All right. So 17, right? We'll come back
Okay.
at 10:35.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me just stop this here, and let's take a quick 5 minutes of break. Don't go anywhere. Just take off a quick 5 minutes of break, and let's details. If I click, I'll get the details. All other things, add email, add phone number, all those things I can do. But I leave up to you because I wanted you to explore this. So dashboard pretty much looks like this. Search, when you come to the search, you have job titles, you have departments, you have seniority, you have location, industry, employees, headquarter, company name, founded, company type, company keywords, technologies, contact keywords, email, all those things. Maybe let's say job title, founder, location, India, and then company name, company type, job title, location, industry, employees, domain, company, company type, contact keyword. Company size I was trying to see, but I'm not getting that. But founded year, I'll just go, which is founded after 2020 until 2023. Okay. Now I get the list of all those companies from India, all those people who are founders from India, and also the company name. I get the founders and their company names and the employee strength in each company, in each startup, because we are just taken from after 2020. And then whether it is funded or not, like Ubilo, which is kind of a 750 million funded already. And this is a feature which is not available on free version of LinkedIn, but available on get prospect for free of cost. They can generally create a leads from here. You can get the cold leads from here of founders and the co-founders and start reaching out. For show email, you can use get prospect itself. You have 100 emails per week. I think 50 email per week. Like that in a month, you're getting 200 emails. And if you're properly reaching out to these 200 people using the all the free version, what get prospect is doing, getting one or two clients is not a difficult task for sure, but explore it by yourself. So again, if I just click on Breath and well-being, show email. And all these filters, what you're seeing for free of cost, are basically there in the LinkedIn, this one, Sales Navigator. But here what you're getting is absolutely free of cost. The entire data, name of the companies, all those stuff. I can select all. I can save it to the leads, whatever, we can do that, but absolutely for free of cost. Startup which grown so soon, startup with a team size. It's taking longer than the expectation. Otherwise, you can always open in LinkedIn, and Sales SQL is a king in that. You can do that. So many tools enabled. So this is again, Final Scout is doing this, but we are not covering Final Scout as of now. We are still on this only. What we say, get prospect.
When Final Scout also says to log in, is it safe to log in?
Login you can do, but don't do any robo activity.
Okay.
See, here in web you're doing is not a problem. On LinkedIn you're doing is a problem. You're doing in a completely different application altogether. Get prospect, you're doing in a get prospect in a different application altogether. Doing a robo activity on LinkedIn is something else. Comparable to doing a robo activity on the different application is something else. So let's say it's like a year ago.
Shiv, you opened the LinkedIn profile of some person here, some CEO from this get prospect. So that also will be tracked by LinkedIn, right? From where you open the link.
LinkedIn will track everything. LinkedIn will track everything.
But they'll come to know you opened it through the get prospect. Is that fine?
Yeah, they'll come to know they open from the third party.
Okay.
They'll not come to know from where I opened. I open from Excel, I open from Google X Research, I open from Get Prospect. I can open it from anywhere.
Okay. That
Get
source they'll
Prospect
not come to know. Okay.
Get Prospect may know that I clicked on the profile because on Get Prospect APIs, I'm clicking on the profile. From there to LinkedIn routing is there. Get Prospect can track my activity, that did I click on this or not, did I view this or not. But LinkedIn cannot track did I click it from Get Prospect or anything until and unless they implement that feature. I think that feature is there also. They might track that as well.
Right, because generally any website, no, from the where the source came from, where the inbound came from, that will be tracked.
It will show Android phone, laptop phone, which location,
right,
which browser, but it will not show which application.
Okay.
Which application? Yeah, there are a couple of applications. I've seen that. When I do my tracking activity for SourcingXPress, I see that people are viewing a content on LinkedIn, people are viewing a content on YouTube. All those tracking I can do. Yeah, there can be a possibility. But overall, the number possibilities there. Individual, who is that person? The possibility is not there. I can track the demographics, but I can't track who is who.
Right.
That means LinkedIn won't restrict us while doing this thing on Get Prospects, huh?
You're doing on Get Prospect. You're not doing on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Can you show again how to open
You're
in
stealing
LinkedIn?
in your home. You're not stealing in neighbor's home.
Okay.
If you steal
Got
in
it.
neighbor's home, then there'll be a police case. Neighbor will be serious about it. If you steal in your home,
there won't be any
if you
cases.
gossip in your home about others, nobody will talk. They'll gossip. They'll encourage. You can't go to others' home and gossip about them in their own home.
Yes, yes.
It'll be
Such a
So,
great example.
ethical stealing.
huh?
It'll be called ethical stealing.
Exactly. You
Yes.
don't want to, your neighbors some to gossip about them only. All right. So all these search feature, which are basically available in Sales Navigator, which is again another expensive tool, but here you're getting for free of cost. So let's see if that contact was visible. Then I go to contact. Yeah, Aditya. Here it is already come. So maybe due to a network issue, it was not coming, but already it is verified also. So I'm not going aggressive on my usage because already it kicked me out once where I uploaded some bulk data and all the usage has gone. So only I've used 2 usages. So here I have it. List. So one project which I have created. Companies, we don't have anything because it's pretty new. I've not done anything yet. Breathe well. Yeah, few companies are there. Came to the list with what are the searches we done. Enrich.
Shiv, this is not an extension, is it? Just you are in their dashboard.
It's a web
Right?
application.
Okay.
Find data by LinkedIn URL. Enrich. Find lead. Let's say over there we have a LinkedIn URLs in Google Sheet here, which we got it from SheetGPT. All those URLs we can enter over here and we see find leads. So that additional details we get it. And if we click on email address, we get their email address also. Directly you see on LinkedIn or you just see it from here. Verify. No mails verified. Please at least one email to be informed to verify. So I'm not doing anything because I have a limited version and I would like to use it kindly. And as I mentioned, free version 50/50 it says, but never use free. Top it at 49, 45 like that. And it is weekly limitation. Usage, here I can see the usage, Sangeeta. And billing. So I'm on a free version. All these things is a paid one. Choose your plan. I think I'm on a free 5K. All plan include this one for free version. After that, I go for a paid ones or anything if I like it, but I don't think I will be going for a paid one. This one is enough for me to generate a excellent leads. So
So
that's
what
about
does verification mean?
email
Verif
verifications. You do something we are suspect of, you just upload that, do some verifications like that. So here, earlier it was 2, then one more email ID we view, then it become 3 now. Save searches, I've not saved anything. So yeah, enrich, verify. If you understand enriching, verifying, using that extractor tools, extracting the data, uploading to LinkedIn, cross-checking, if you're doing all that data cleaning activity and data enriching activity, then you would know why it is so important. Then you would realize the importance of SheetGPT. You'll realize the importance of Get Prospect. But yeah, as Raghu said, you can directly go to the company page and get the profiles, but it has a different use case altogether. Until unless you don't come into the use case, you would not be realize what exactly this could be potential of. All right, so that's about a Get Prospect. Coming to Final Scout. Now, Final Scout, I just clicked here, scrape LinkedIn Sales Navigator, regular LinkedIn search, LinkedIn group member search, and display all those stuff. So email credits, I have this many. Prospect credits, I'm just out of prospect. Profile credits, 20. So just click. So prospect credit completely gone. I'm just completely out of it. Email credits I have decent. So now I just kind find a prospect. Prospect, I think I'm out. It's asking me to upgrade because we have uploaded entire Google group, sorry, LinkedIn group, and it has taken some hundreds and thousands, and all of a sudden I got out of credits. Maybe I'll wait for new things. So search single, this is search single it is showing. But see this here in the prospect, you have some amazing things to do. You have amazing things to company size and all, like we see in a get prospect here. Like that in this final scout also, we have the similar searches here, which are basically a features of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You're getting for absolutely for free of cost without paying any single penny. If you're involved in lead generation or doing some analysis reports or anything like that, this field could be an amazing useful for you. You can actually come up with talent intel with this field also. You can enter the various titles, you can enter the location, you can enter the company size, you can enter the employers, all those things. And then you can come up with a talent intel report and absolutely for free of cost. Yeah, Raghu.
So no need to install their Chrome extension to access to this web portal, right? I mean, it's independent. I can use
Not
it
really
without.
sure. You can explore that.
Okay.
I've installed all the extension. I've signed up over here also. Just see without extension if you can do it, well and good. Otherwise, feel free to download the extension. Any which ways, it's not charging anything. All right.
Actually, I
So
have used the link email extractor tool. Once I started using it, my system, not system, the browser becomes very slow. For every page, it's showing like wait, that one suppose top
again,
up
that
will come.
depends on system, RAM, how many GB RAM, what's the storage, your system performance end of the day. Even I
Yeah,
have other
still,
system Dell that is too damn slow.
okay.
So if my system is not supportive, I can't really help it. So that's reason like when I want to start this thing immediately, as soon as I kept my office laptop at Amazon on a way back, I got this laptop here.
So
So
8
that's the
GB RAM
system.
and SSD also. I don't know. Oh yeah, I just disabled it now.
There are systems with more than that, 8 GB RAM and SSD laptops, but still that runs slow. Depends on
Yeah.
OS, depends on updating all those settings. If you're regularly updating your OS, if you're regularly updating your firewall, everything is regularly happening. And if you keep your system up to the speed, nothing will happen. But otherwise, system problem I really can't solve. That is something you have to solve it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So comes to find here, I'm getting single bulk under this thing, all these things. But for the prospect, trust me, it was an amazing tool for me, amazing experience. I'm gonna create one more account for the other email ID for sure. And all these filters which are available are absolutely for free of cost, which are actually the filters of Sales Navigator. And Sales Navigator, it's only that it's allowing you to connect. Here also you can connect. And the Sales Navigator cost you around 10,000 rupees per month, and which will give you around 25 emails per month. This is not costing you that much. It is costing you barely $7 or $8 per month. $100 if I say per year, that would be around 8,000 per year. And you can do hundreds of reach out per month. Sales Navigator is only giving you 25 reach out per month. But Get Prospect and Final Scout, maximum it is costing you 8 to 9,000 per year. $100 also if I say per year, it is around 8 to 9,000 per year. And the usage what they're giving, not just the analytics, not just the report, even the reach out also to the candidates or to the um, founders or such kind of a executive level people of around hundreds. For free itself, they have given me so much that I can reach out so many people. And after paying, you know how much. Even if I'm using a single free version of it, that is enough for me. If I'm using it diligently, not going too aggressive or not going too slow, diligently if I'm headhunting my leads, diligently if I'm reaching out, creating those automation to reach out to them, and diligently if I'm seeing the system, how exactly it is working, whether it is following up on time or not, if it is following up, how it is following up, everything. Just the free version is more than enough for me for the candidate engagement or for any client engagement or any lead engagement. I don't really have to pay even a single penny for it. absolutely free version, I can kill it.
So this is also auto renew, credited after a month or so. The
This I
credits.
need to check whether it is auto credited or not, but in that thing, it is definitely auto credited.
It's showing 50.
No, email credits, it is crediting automatically.
Is it? Every time
Yeah.
valid email is returned to a Final Scout or a Chrome extension, an email credit will be consumed. The plan allows unlimited single email finding from a LinkedIn sales. No email credit will be deducted from your account when you find the emails from LinkedIn or Sales Navigator. Okay, but my thing was this: every time you do a search with the prospect feature, a prospect credit will be consumed. Applying a new filter will constitute a search. So this I exhausted. I'll have to create with a new account. This was an amazing thing which I've seen actually. So plan profile credits, I have it. Plan email credits, I have it. So email AI credits and email credits. Every time email AI writes an email copy, one email credit will be gone. Okay. So 97, I have some email AI credits. Where is that automation here? I can create that automation also. Bounce back. No, I've not created any automation yet, but I can definitely create. Author email, single search. Somewhere was the email actually. Company page, group member, email, event, extension. I think I'll have to go to candidate page first. Here once I come to
Yes, it is
contacts.
adding email credits to our existing email credits.
Exactly. So once I come to this contact, and if I click write personalized email, I have a various templates, or I can create my own template from the basics, all the AI-based templates. I can give all those instructions. What are the instructions I need to give? What kind of an email I have to create? And based on my instruction, it will create an email template. And every single email template will cost you one email. So I think having 100 email templates is amazing. Nobody will use 100 email templates. Same template, you'll repeat it normally. And then I can also send the email to them. Save time, tribal cooperation, send to background, all those stuff. I can add all those contacts. I can create a nice outreach and I can start sending them over a email. I'm not sending them in LinkedIn, the connection request or anything. This is email AI outreach. It is identifying their email and directly sitting there in inbox. That's cool, right?
So it is going as an inbox email to them.
It will go in an inbox. Email it will go. It's not email. It's not connection request.
Okay, but from which account, which email ID?
From our Gmail account. Once they respond, we'll get the response to our Gmail account.
Gmail, okay.
Whichever the account you configured, it will go from there.
Yeah.
If you configure Gmail account, it will go from Gmail. If you configure official account, it will go from official account. Right, email, add new contact, all these things. So this is second tool. Already we have covered enough, but again, I wanted you to cover and understand in depth what every single tool is doing. Don't ever go on a prospect one thing where you're adding a group. I've added a group where lakhs of people were there and I consumed all at once. So don't ever go for a LinkedIn group. Rest others, you can give all those searches and you can still be within the credit limits and you can pretty much use it. Every search will consume one limit and you have decent enough searches in fact. It's asking to upgrade. But otherwise, I've seen some of the amazing data modeling. Okay, team. So that's about finance cloud. That's about get prospect. And one more is this one, in touch. Earlier I had this, then after that I downgraded, but I don't know if it is still active or not. Okay, launch in touch tool. This is risky. Now this is doing an activity on LinkedIn itself. So this has to be little slow. We can't go with the speed, what it is asking us to go with. Don't ever go with the speed, what it's asking us to go with. Just neutralize it. It just takes 3 steps to create a campaign, set a name of your campaign, set up a personalized message, invitation follow, specify your targeted audience. Okay, to automate connection and messages on LinkedIn, create a campaign. With InTouch, you can automatically connect with people on LinkedIn and send them personalized message. You can automate sending message to people in your network, people from LinkedIn search result, people from your own CSV file. It takes 3 steps to create your own campaign. How it works, just see how it works. InTouch tool, this is.
It's not there in Chrome store.
What?
It's not there in Chrome store. I tried to find in space touch.
I'll send the link.
I found it.
What you? That's it. Very generic, very simple, so that it can trigger to anyone. Add some message to be sent automatically to those who accept the connection request. This can increase your replay rate by up to 60%. Add some message. Okay, this is connection request message. And when someone accepts it, send in maybe 1 day. It keeps sending message even if replied. No, I would not say even if replied. If someone has replied, I'll manually take it. If someone has not replied, but accepted, then maybe after 1 day, personalized message. Thanks for accepting them.
One question, as you are sending the personalized message, I observed today that LinkedIn is stopping me to send the personalized message. I hardly sent hardly 10 messages so far in this week. Is there any changes? Any idea?
Not really sure. Maybe you
I'm
come
allowed
under
to.
the radar.
ఈమెయిల్స్ చెక్ చేయవచ్చా అమెజాన్ ఈమెయిల్స్
Okay.
ఒక ఈమెయిల్
Thanks for
చెప్తాను
accepting the invite. Okay. And then let's train that.
అమెజాన్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఈమెయిల్ చెప్పు ranjit@amazon.com. RANJIT.
Okay, thanks for accepting the invite. Let's stay in touch. So this is first connection invite. Someone accepts the connection. After 1 day, it sends the message. Thanks for accepting the invite. Let's stay in touch. And follow up, I do really want to follow up with anything, may not be now. Maybe I'll create another automation. Okay, and then say first pitch, I'll never give a sales pitch. To initiate a sales pitch, I'll take at least 3 to 4 message exchanges, and maybe after 2 or 3 weeks is where I'll initiate, or maybe after a month, or after seeing their post or anything like that. That's how I slowly do it. The next, add people from my network, add people from LinkedIn search, add people from Sales Navigator, add people from my network, or import a file. I can import a file also, which will cost me nothing. I can add people from my network also, which will cost me nothing. I can add people from my LinkedIn search, which will cost me something, but with the free version, how much ever it is giving me, that is, I think, is enough for me. I'm not going to reach out to so many people. I just reach out to 5, 10, 15, 20 people. That's it. A choosy one, a selected ones. Otherwise, add people from my network. They're already connected, then I don't really have to send them from my network. So definitely add people from LinkedIn search. So all these filters got created automatically, or export emails from CSV. So all those things. I'm not going to create any campaign now. I wanted you to explore by yourself. So that is in touch tool. So explore all these three tools, and once you understand how these three tools are working, then you'll be able to understand the advanced versions of it. All right. So manage extension, remove in touch, and then final scout, and then get prospect. Let me share it in WhatsApp group. If you want, we can take a day of time tomorrow. We can give a pause for tomorrow, and we can come back and cover these tools day after tomorrow.
If I just added InTouch extension, so a pop-up has come and it says create a campaign, and it's not.
See what is doing.
It says
If it is
create a.
forcing you, if it is forcing you, then stop it. Don't create it.
Okay.
So here it's shown me create a campaign, but did I create? Did I create? No, I just seen what is doing. So just do what is doing. I'm not asking you to create a campaign or anything, but see what these tools are doing. Step by step, thoroughly read this tool, explore this tool. If you need, we can take 1 day break tomorrow and then come on a Wednesday and then go on an advanced part. So that is where we'll be able to cover basic. Today is what the AI tools extension work on Google Sheet. Basic AI tools and extension for candidate engagement. All these three are basic tools, absolutely for free of cost. Candidate engagement or market intel.
Can I just share my screen? I have a query here in this tool.
Sure. Or lead generation. I think all this is done. Search, image search is done. Google search setting and search alert will do it. So ChatGPT, Bard, AI tools extension, same. If we are able to do this 2, 3, then we should be good and we should be getting to one of the advanced extensions. How to create market intel report, number of times we did it, understanding problem statement. Last Friday also we did it. That's again, identifying various tools, Chrome extensions, all those things are again a problem statements in a real-time scenario, what we're facing. But try to connect with your real-time scenario and try to do it something differently rather than only repeating the things which we know. Instead, just go to some extensions, go to some Chrome store, go to some web stores, try to explore with the keywords, try to see if there are any extensions available, tools available, try to sign up on those tools. If you don't have official email ID, spend that 1,000 rupees per year, get your official email ID done, and get all this exploring. And that's where you'll understand the real problem statement, real-time scenarios, how what we're facing, and a design thinking for source of where we're building a cognitive process of identifying the various tools, technologies, and how it's not just identifying those paid or a free version, but also understanding the behind the scenes of it, how exactly it is working, what algo it is doing, what work actually it is doing. Is it possible for me to do it manually? Is that I need a machine for it, or can I do it manually in better way? So try to compare the tools with yourself. If you're doing manually, how are you going to do it? If you're doing with automation, how are you going to do it? So how exactly you're going to do it? Then you'll be able to build that cognitive thought process of design thinking for Sourcer. It's not a topic, it's across the topic we have discussed. It is something to practice. And then sourcing forums and all, I'll let you know some of the sourcing forums and all everything that you can join, ask questions, seek help, and keep growing, keep learning. Yeah, Sangeeta, you can share your screen.
Yeah, so here it is showing this. Okay, if I close this campaign and
Disable
then,
it.
yeah, no, so when the moment I click here at this, it asks me to sign up and then
You'll
there
have to
is,
sign up. You have to enter your email ID, sign up, all those things you have to do it.
okay, so
Without
but
doing it, you will not be able to understand.
I have to ignore this upgrade.
Upgrade, you ignore, sign up, but
Okay, all right, thank you.
without signing up, you can't be able to use it. All right, team. So 3 tools. Try exploring by yourself each use case of it, how exactly it is doing, and what exactly is doing. After that, we'll be able to understand the advanced tool which I'm talking about. And that's where we'll close on automation for candidate engagement or the client engagement or lead generation or anything. Yeah, Raghu.
Shiv, actually, one question regarding that LinkedIn profile finder something tool we used, right, in the ChatGPT, in the Google Sheet. So I have one question. Actually, while you are doing, also when Anant was doing, I could not find that. Is it a common? Because when I was installing it, it asked me to permission to access my
Follow
inbox
the
actually.
recording and upload the recording, follow the steps as it is. You don't have to go technical too. Just follow the steps as it is and you'll
No,
be
no,
able to do it.
one simple question, Shiv. It was asking for my permission to access my email actually. Was it common for everybody? Like, is
It
my
is giving you
question.
free, Raghu.
Okay.
It needs access. Without giving access, how will it work for you?
Okay. No, I'm giving access to inbox now,
You
that's why it
need
was scared.
information from
Okay.
someone. They're asking you to give access to your network.
Okay. Okay.
Without giving, see, if you always go with so secured, why should I give? Why should I give? Why should I give? You will not be able to gain anything. You have to give. It's all about give and take.
Right.
When it was free, you did not take it. In a simple example, if I have to say, you have taken it for granted. It's all about give and take.
Okay. No, I mean,
Yes.
the reason I asked this so far, I have given permission to my mobile SMSs, but not to the inbox. No, so like I got a security alert also from Google. That's why I asked you.
You ask any recruiter who is rookie recruiter if they don't give access to these things.
Okay.
99%, 91% people will say, I provide access because they need access.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
You can't say, I'll not sign up on the LinkedIn and I can't give access to my Gmail, still use a LinkedIn. Is that possible?
But the mobile app, we are giving access to get our
For everything,
contacts,
you have to
get
give
our
access.
images. For mobile, any app you download, it is
For
asking
everything,
for
you're
access.
giving access. You're downloading a bank app, you're giving access. You're downloading a WhatsApp, you're giving access. You're downloading anything, you're giving access. Without giving access, how will you use it? It's like you want to swim, but you don't want to jump in a water. To learn swimming, to understand swimming, you have to jump in a water and you have to give a water access to your body.
Yeah. No, I out of curiosity asked because I didn't see it when you were doing and when Anant was doing. Yeah.
Access
Yeah.
is required. Without
Sure.
giving
Sure.
access, how will I do it? Otherwise,
Okay.
keep one personal account where you have all banking documents or everything like that, where where you have so much of information which has to be secured. Just have that account separate, and for all this, have account different separate.
Different stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
But you can't say that no, with that email ID, I have my professional LinkedIn profile, but with other email ID, I'll do something else. No, that is also not acceptable. LinkedIn says authentication Authentication is required.
Yeah.
Shiv, one question again.
Hmm.
Can you see this? So now I have logged in. Now what do I do with this tool? Because the moment I close
Don't do
this,
anything. Just
if
disable it. Only explore what exactly it's doing. I've not asked you to use it. See,
oh
if it is enabled, it keeps coming.
yeah. So how do we explore basically what it is doing? Because the moment we click here, it gives this, otherwise it gives this
First,
window.
read this, whatever it is there to automate and all these things. First, read the steps, then create campaign, watch video, create campaign, see that what it is doing, step by step, observe it, what is the steps are doing, what is actually going to do the next. And if you
Okay.
see that it is going to trigger the email, that's where you stop.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Till then, you do it. All right, team.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Shiv.
Yes,
All
sure.
right. Does that make sense, but is
Yes.
that helpful? Does that really
Exactly.
make sense?
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
am I
definitely.
wasting your time?
No, no, we are
No.
scratching our head.
See, these are few hard things I have to learn hard way.
Yeah.
If it has to be taught, A for apple, we can do that, but you will forget it. You first explore these three tools by your own, understand what is it doing, how is it doing, step by step. Then you'll be able to understand some advanced tools. I won't mind to go to the advanced tool without doing this. But I'm sure within 1 week, maximum within 1 week. Even after watching the recordings, you won't be able to. Because again, automation, AI tools are completely a different ball game. What we have learned till now, sourcing, identifying candidates, this thing, that thing, Boolean strings, LinkedIn, all those stuff. Automation is different ballgame altogether. That has to learn the hard way. That has to learn once you implement those things, once you apply those particular steps on these three applications and try understanding how exactly these are working. That's where you'll build that cognitive process of how exactly these tools are working. And tomorrow, if you come across any other new tool, and as I mentioned, don't depend on these three tools. In another 3 months, there are 30 more tools which are going to come. But which one is going, are you going to follow again and again? This three would become paid in 3 months. But in 3 months, looking at this success of this three tool, there are 30 tools will come. Again, they'll give you some free. Again, you log up, identify those 30 different tools and explore. And if it is working well and good, so keep going like that. Otherwise, keep paying. If you have money, keep paying, please. If you don't have it, keep exploring, please. All right.
Yes.
All right then. Chala then. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
The recording.
Thank
No,
you.
but you're
You.
not.
Thank.
Thank you.
But most probably, I wanted you to practice on these three things. And let's join day after tomorrow.
Show earlier class recordings, please.
I'm yet to record all those things. Till last Saturday, everything is updated. From yesterday, it is pending. And all thing I've made it, what we say, as a private because I observed some unusual activity. So that's the reason I just kept private for a couple of days. Maybe till tomorrow, I'll keep it last. After that, I'll route a Google form. Fill in that Google form and you'll get access. Okay. All right, then. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Shiv.